All right, guys, so check it out. I don't normally get too super excited about boxes and items and eBay and all that kind of stuff. We're on eBay all the time. I enjoy getting stuff from my Harley. Yes, my garage is a mess, I know. This box here is something that's near and dear to my heart. This is something that you're gonna think is worthless if you don't know what it is. To me, this box represents blood, sweat, tears, determination, faith, desire, and cool people. So check this out. All right, guys, so check it out. Here it is. The coolest box that may have ever been delivered to this house. And I buy some cool stuff once in a while. Little things for my Harley, little hobby items, whatever it may be. Inside this box represents heart, soul, determination, dedication, loyalty, friendship, sharing a common dream. Some of you guys know, some of you guys don't know, I'm a gearhead at heart. Probably somewhere in a past life I was a crew chief on a nitro funny car. Or maybe a driver, or maybe a crew member, or clutch specialist, who knows. But I've always been really hardcore into NHRA style drag racing. And of course nowadays with the radial tire guys and the amazing technology that everybody has with twin turbos and pro chargers and all that stuff, it's an amazing time to be a car guy, performance car guy. But in this box is something that I can relate to and something that comes as one of the coolest gestures ever. So let's open it up and check it out. You guys have probably never seen anything like this. It's a box of bubble wrap. No, just kidding. I couldn't do you like that. Just couldn't do you like that. So in this box resides a very cool gift from a very cool guy. This is a genuine top alcohol funny car connecting rod and piston assembly that's been damaged. And I know somebody's gonna say, well, it's got a hole in it, it's no good. That's not the point. The point is that to me, as an enthusiast, as a guy who maybe wishes he was on a team or part of a team or owned a car like that or something of that nature, this represents hard work, dedication, desire, sacrifice, teamwork, love, and affection from your teammates, who I'm sure are, if they're not all volunteer, I can't imagine, you know, how much they can get paid. It's a low dollar privateer style funny car team, and I love this guy. Aaron, I love you for doing this, man. This is the coolest thing that I can imagine having, just so I can put this on my desk. We're gonna make a little fixture for it, gonna bolt it to my desk, have a little base on it, whatnot. But I understand the low budget thing. I understand, you know, you're not a mega team, you're not a Schumacher, a Force team, whatever it may be. You do this out of your own pocket for the love of the sport, the love of the race car, the love of the teammates, and having something that came out of your car that you fought with, you've struggled with. These domes of these pistons don't cave in because you're running them easy. You know, for those of you out there that don't know, that aren't totally aware, to do something like this, you know, they're pushing their parts as hard as they can, and they don't have 6 motors in the trailer like John Force or Don Schumacher or you know, Connie Coletta, or any of the alcohol guys for that matter. But two things that are super cool about this, I love the privateer aspect. I love that this is heart and soul from Aaron's heart, from his pocket, from his friends, from his crew, from his family. That's totally awesome. I've been following Aaron on Facebook, and I've been watching his trials and tribulations, and you got to give it up. Got to give it up to him. They won the friggin' Winternationals. Top alcohol funny car NHRA Winternationals champions. That in and of itself, there are people that will run a 30-year career and never win a race. So for local Dade City boy, I'm a Florida boy, not originally, but I've been here long enough now I can say that. For a Florida boy, doing it out of his own pocket, doing it on his own dime, boy, I tell you what, to have this is so cool. It's such a cool gift. to know that he has some help from guys like Bob Newberry, who as a kid was one of my superstars. And back then, somebody would say, well, that's not Bernstein. Well, that's not Joe Amato. Well, damn right. The lower class cars, the alcohol cars, comp eliminator cars, modified back in the day, I looked up to those guys because it was low buck, out of their pocket. These guys are wearing the same t-shirt for 3 days straight working on the race car trying to win a race. I love that. Heart, soul, determination, don't give up attitude, freaking awesome. Aaron, thank you so much for this. I know it seems maybe a little bit of overkill, but you don't know what it means to me because I know what it means to you. Thank you, brother. Awesome, 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 awesome. Love it. Couldn't ask for a better Christmas present this year. Thanks a lot and good luck in the future, brother.